Hey guys, we're the Pittman sisters.
And this is
Guess That Sound, powered by Bose. Round 1.
For this game, we'll be using the Bose QC45 headphones.
Yes.
So cute. They match our outfits.
Ooh, comfy.
Oh,
They're
wow.
so light, too.
Uh-huh.
I don't even feel them on my head.
All right, let's do our first sound.
Harmonica.
Oh.
Accordion?
Nice!
That is...
Yeah, you know,
Wow.
I enjoy my accordion.
Clarinet?
Yeah. I think you're right.
Yeah, our mom played the clarinet.
Didgeridoo.
What the heck? No way!
I was in Australia. Honestly, keep playing it. I like it.